Hi guys, this is Rafa from Brazil, striking again. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. Click the link, hit subscribe, hit the like button. Let's spread this word out. This game is beatable, okay? So, today is Friday, March 26th, and we have a very interesting week. Uh, we the week started really slow. Look at that. We have, for instance, uh, this pair here, this AUD USD. I like to start my analyzing with AUD USD because it's a very sensitive pair. Okay, if things are going well in the economy and everything else, it just explode in a positive way. And if things are not going that good, um, AUD USD tend to collapse. So what we have here in this week was a very unstable week. We start this on Monday with this huge gap here. Look at that. Then it went sideways for a while. There was an evidence dot here because there was a a buy signal over here. Okay, that unfortunately didn't work out. Okay, maybe you should be out of this trade on the break even if you have used a trading stop, but maybe you got stopped. Okay, but eventually you could have a re-enter opportunity here. Okay, look, this is a re-enter. Okay, when we have an evidence dot, okay, it means that there was a buy signal here, but when you got stopped, if you want to stick with this pair, and that's something that I strongly advise you to do, that you have to choose 5 to 6 pairs and just follow those pairs, because you're going to have very interesting opportunities on those pairs. Okay, so maybe you could have jumped in this trade here. Okay, but it was clearly that it was a strong sell trade. Okay, look at that. It was a sell trend. That's for sure, isn't it? Look at this. A huge down movement that we have, almost 200 pips, and it's interesting to analyze what is the movement that price are having. Okay, prices tend to be sideways or trending. So this is very interesting for you to understand where's price going, on the downtrend or uptrend. But eventually you you should understand what is the regular trend. Okay, in this case it was a clearly downtrend, so that trade would be more dangerous. Okay, but it doesn't mean you could not have taken this trade. Okay, just want to clarify that. But eventually you could re-enter, but you should not re-enter on that point here. Okay, because you may know we have a set of rules to take our trades, and one of our rules is we have to follow the last signal. Okay, in this case it was a sell signal. Okay, it was a sell signal that started a sell trend. In this case, maybe there was a buy signal over here, so you cannot re-enter on this buy signal. What you have to do, you have to wait for this signal to become an evidence dot. Okay, so the perfect position for you to re-enter this trade was not here with the sell short-term trend, the long-term trend as well on a sell, but there was a buy signal here, so you should wait and enter the trade here. Okay, that would be a much more safe trade for you, and a trade, well, you could have win more than 90 pips, yeah. Okay, that should be a more safe trade. Okay, stop loss should be around the last swing movement, so around here 50 pips, so you go for 50 pips. Around here would be your take profit, or if you'd like to cut half of your profit here, let the other half of your lot run and reach the the bottom of the support area. Okay, now you could have take this trade as well. Okay, an uptrend trade. Right now it would be around 20 pips. It would be around your safe area, your break-even area. Okay, so look at here, 45 pips stop loss should be around 45 pips take profit, or you cut half of your lot here, let the other lot run. Okay, so that's how you transform a stop loss into a profitable trade. Okay, that's how you do it, but you have to do it with conscious and with care, because not every trade you could have just turn around and get it done. Okay, right now I'm on this trade here, Euro NZD. Look at that. Right now 37 pips, but it was around 60 pips around here. Okay, maybe this is just a pullback. Look at here, like we have here, like we have here. Okay, so right now I'm in 37.6 pips, but look at this beautiful trade over here. But this wasn't a clear signal as soon as the arrows have appeared. No, because look at that, the long-term trend was still on a sell. So what do you do, Rafa? We just wait everything to be set up. Okay, we just wait. So that was the right moment to be in the trade. Okay, we were in negative territory for a while, but eventually, look what happened. Look what happened. Oh my God, look what happened. 361 pips. This is amazing. But this is a difficult trade because you enter on a different moment of the arrows. You wait more than 2 days. Look, more than 2 days. That's a very difficult, because prices were going sideways. And do you remember that usually price went sideways, you may be having continuation pattern. But you have to trust the system. If you do not have any arrow in the opposite direction, if you do not have your trend line becoming red, you just stay on your trade. You just stay on your trade, and your patience, your diligence would be recompensated. Okay? Look, that's what happened here to me. It was a difficult trade as well. I was around this area. I was in down movement of 50 pips. It's very hard to see that, but my stop loss were here around 82. I go for 82 pips around this area. I'll just hold it for a while. Okay, let's hope that price reaches this area, and I have my stop loss driven to the break-even point with 20 pips. So around this area my break-even was hit, so I'm here, and price didn't touch it, my break even. Okay, why? Because the trend line right now is being respected by price. Okay, we still have a sell long-term trend. Okay, a sell long-term trend which is ruling right now price action. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, that's it, guys. That's how you can transform a losing trade into a profit one. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for sharing this video. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, and oh my God, if you're still not part of our family, don't hesitate. This Simplicity trading system is the hottest trading system out there. The search is over, guys. The search is over. This is not the holy grail, but it's a very effective trade system. Okay, click the link button in the description area to become part of our family. Okay, I also have a Telegram group channel. You can subscribe that, and if you need any further assistance, you can send me an email and we can arrange a mentorship session. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for now. Have a nice weekend, and we're good to go. Bye bye.